How do I find out if I am eligible for long-term disability benefits? Hey folks, my name is Brandon Osterbind and I'm an injury and disability attorney here in Central Virginia, and I help people whose long-term disability claims have been denied. So how would you know if you are eligible for long-term disability under your employer's long-term disability policy? That question is dependent on what your insurance policy says. But the first place to start would be talking with your doctor. If you have a condition, a medical condition, a legitimate condition that limits your ability to do certain tasks at your job, limits your ability to do them for the duration of time that you're required to do them, and it limits your ability to perform the main functions of your job, then you could qualify for long-term disability. Every insurance policy has a different definition of disability, so it's important to make sure that you know what that policy says and you've read the policy and you've shown the policy to your doctor. It's important to have those conversations with your doctor to try different treatments to see if you can get to a place where you can perform those main duties of your job. And if you can't do those things and you've tried to do those things, then your doctor needs to be the one to tell you that you should apply for long-term disability and that you should no longer work. Then at that point, the next step would be to go to your human resources department or whoever's in charge of that, whoever your manager is, whoever regulates those sorts of things, and tell them what your doctor has said. Provide some medical documentation that your doctor said that you're not able to work, and make sure that you get the appropriate claim forms so that you can file the claims with your insurance company. So you file the claims with the insurance company and they will either approve or deny you. And if they deny you, they are required under ERISA, the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, to tell you why you were denied. And if they don't tell you why you're denied, then you need to do your best to get that in writing from them so that you know what you need to do to become eligible to get your long-term disability benefits. I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope that now you have a sense for what is a long-term disability policy and what is required for you to become eligible to receive benefits under that policy. If you have any questions about whether you're eligible for long-term disability benefits, we'd be happy to chat with you, sit down and talk to you about your condition, your accident, whatever it may be, and your job and your job description, and whether the symptoms that you are experiencing based on your condition limit your ability to do your job. Give us a call, send us an email. We'd be happy to sit down with you and chat.